Oh, it's working. Okay. So Ryan, what a lot of people don't appreciate is that not all FEEs are the same, and I always say it's very dependent on the team. I mean, that's most probably your number one thing, but number two is definitely machinery. And you were saying about the machinery.
Yeah, we were saying that this type of punch that's now available has revolutionized FUE surgery, and it's not available. Not every single surgeon that does an FUE has this type of equipment. This particular machine is so customizable that it just makes almost every procedure unique. We can choose the punches, obviously depending on the size and the caliber of the hair, but we can also modify the way the punch drills. Each individual punch of hair can be pre-programmed. So today we're using a combination of a cutting and an oscillating punch with a cutting blade. So because Toks has got fine straight hair, we've chosen that particular combination of drill criteria, and it just means that the quality of the grafts are so much better than one could get under other circumstances.
Right.